In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Microsoft Teams add-in in Outlook, ensuring a seamless experience for scheduling and managing your meetings. This process is straightforward and ensures your productivity tools are fully integrated, saving you time and hassle. First, let's begin by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If you're using Windows, you can typically find Outlook by clicking on the Start menu or searching for it in the taskbar search box. Look for the familiar blue and white envelope icon and click on it to launch the application. Once you've successfully opened Outlook, direct your attention to the top menu and click on File. This will open a new window displaying various options regarding your account and settings. Next, look toward the bottom of the left side navigation pane and find the option labeled Options. Clicking on this will bring you to the Outlook Options window, providing a plethora of customizable settings. Now, within the Outlook Options window, you'll want to keep an eye on the left column and select Add-ins. This section manages all the extra functionalities that can be integrated into Outlook, enhancing its capabilities and allowing for a more streamlined workflow. We are particularly interested in determining the status of the Microsoft Teams add-in. After clicking on Add-ins, you'll see a series of details populate in the main body of the window. What you want to focus on is the list box displaying both active and inactive application add-ins. Here, we're searching for the Microsoft Teams add-in. Scroll through the list to find it and take note if it's currently categorized as disabled. If you discover that the Teams add-in is indeed disabled, don't worry. This is a simple fix. You'll need to enable it to ensure you can schedule Teams meetings directly from Outlook. To do this, near the bottom of the current window, you'll see a drop-down menu that says Manage. Make sure it says COM Add-ins, then press the Go Light button next to it. A new window will appear listing all available COM add-ins. In this COM add-ins window, look for any reference to the Microsoft Teams add-in. If it's unchecked, simply click on the checkbox to enable it. Sometimes you might not see the add-in if it has been disabled administratively or removed. In such cases, consult your IT administrator to have it reinstated. After ensuring that the Teams add-in is enabled, proceed to close out of these settings by clicking OK until you return to the main Outlook window. But before you can celebrate, there's one final but important step. Restart Outlook, close the application completely, and then reopen it. This restart ensures that all changes take effect and your add-in is fully operational. With everything set, you're now equipped to integrate Microsoft Teams into your Outlook, allowing for a smoother, more interconnected work experience. Thanks for following along and enjoy the new functionality in your Outlook application.